Hi guys, this is Alan from Thursday Financial. How are you today? Recently I have been introducing quite a lot of different indicators, the combination of different indicators as well. But for today we're gonna back to the basics, which I think sometimes the basic might be the best. I'm not saying this is the best strategy out there, but then this is one of the most popular within all traders around the world, so which is the simple moving average crossover. And I do personally like this strategy because it's the simplicity of this strategy actually suits beginner quite a lot. Let's try to take a look on how you can trade with this strategy and the points that you need to keep in mind when using this strategy. First let's set up the technical indicators. Go to technical indicator. Yep, just that guy right there. And then we'll select the simple moving average. Put a tick on simple moving average. And then we will open the drop downs forward. Open the drop down. Now we need to make sure all three of the SMAs are all selected. And then next we'll go to the parameter. So for parameter today, we are using a 7, 13 and 200 parameters. So again, SMA1 is 7, SMA2 is 13, and SMA3 is 200. So after we get that done, we can close the technical indicators window. So the last thing we will be making sure here is the chart period and option period. So for chart period, we are using a 10 seconds chart, and then I will be trading with a 30 seconds option period. That's all set, and then we are all good to go. Just let me try to browse a ideal currency pairs to trade with, and then after I get that, I will explain it to you how you can trade with this simple strategy. Just browse a little bit. This one is looking quite nice here. First, this strategy is a trend following strategy. Make sure you use this strategy in a trend market. So how do I confirm that? Just like other strategy, I will be using a yellow simple moving average. So now you see that it's developing on top of the candlestick and it's heading downwards. So now I confirm that the market is in a downtrend. Now I will place a trade. When I place a trade, you see that the blue and red simple moving average, they actually cross over, and then the blue line actually goes below the red line. So that is a bearish indication, and then I will open a low option within a downtrend. So again, I will be only looking for purchase timing to open low option within a downtrend. Now the position, the option finish, and then it's end in profits. I'm just gonna browse a little bit, and then just try to place a few more trades. I placed a trade here. It's a uptrend, so the yellow simple moving average is below the candlestick, and the blue and red simple moving average crossover. The blue one is on top of the red one. But then right after I placed that trade, I actually regret it, because you see the candlestick movement before I placed that trade is all the way going down. It's going down all the way. So it means the downward movement is quite strong, even though it's in an uptrend. I make a mistake there, and then I lose that trade. It's okay. I'm just gonna browse a little bit and then try to make up the loss there. There we go. And again, it's a downtrend. The simple moving average on the yellow simple moving average is above the candlestick, and then I have the the other two simple moving average crossover, and then the blue line is below the red line, and then that is a bearish indication, and that's why I opened a low option there. The trade is about to finish. Yep, it's gonna be end in profit. That's a clear win. Next I'm just gonna try to explain it to you. A lot of people actually ask me why I don't use multiple time frames to trade, but because in here I'm using a long-term 200 period simple moving average, that 200 period indicates that in this 10 seconds chart, that the 200 period means that it's calculating 200 candlestick in the 10 seconds chart. That's roughly around 16 minutes in a 1 minute chart. That's quite a long time, and that for me is enough for me to identify a overall trend direction. It's just basically the same as when I'm using using 2 time frames at the same time, which this yellow simple moving average is reliable enough for me to identify the overall trend direction. So it's up to you. If you want to use multiple chart time frame, it's okay as well. But for me personally, I think a long-term simple moving average is enough. Okay, so the trade just now is finished. So now let's take a look at the history. Okay, yep, take a look at the history. Trade history. Okay, so for today I make 4 trades. So 3 of them were ended in profit, and then 1 were ended in loss, and then the total profit now has come to $88. So not my best, but at least I'm still ending in profit. So again, the point here for today, I'm just gonna do a quick summarize. So even though, just to remember, even though the market is in an uptrend, there are times that the price is gonna go against the trend, and if we place that trade at that time, we might lost that trade. So that's why people are actually using MACD together with the simple moving average to filter out those false signals. So maybe perhaps tomorrow I can do a video on the combination of MACD and simple moving average and show you how you can make this strategy more accurate. So okay, so the second point for today is when trading in binary option, I personally prefer to trade with a single time frame, but then I will use a long-term 200 period SMA, a simple moving average, and that long-term simple moving average is gonna help me to identify an overall trend direction, just like the same when we are using multiple time frame. So it's up to you, so you can give it a try and see which method suits you better. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you do have any question on my explanation just now, just leave me a comment down there, or if you do have any other question on some of the strategy that you're using, leave me a comment as well, and then I can get back to you. So okay, so that's it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I'll see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!